Alright, welcome back on my Legendary Traders and Entrepreneurs. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is G. In this channel, I just want to show you guys my journey from $0 to $100,000 in Forex profit. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I broke down GBP AUD, or was it GBP CAD? I forgot. But today's video, I'll be breaking down my trade that I made $160 on EURUSD. And I'll be showing you guys my entry, my exit, and why I exit at the area I did, okay? So if you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe and please hit the like so that I'll be able to reach more people on this YouTube and help me grow my small channel. But thank you guys all for watching, and let's get straight to it. So I put all my trades into MYFXBOOK so you guys can see my account and see my trades, my closed trades, and all my profits to know that it's a live account and not a demo account. But EURUSD here, this is, yeah, EURUSD. I already marked it up. So this is my entry right here, was 13.15, correct. So what I saw was price came down, came and bounced on the MA50. You guys know that I like to trade the pullbacks, let it pull back and trade with the trend. This was an amazing setup. I was able to hit profit in about 3 hours. A little bit long, but usually sometimes my trades take sometimes even days to. If you guys saw my GBP NZD trade, it took me 2 weeks, but it still took me into profit. So sometimes it takes long, sometimes it takes short amount of time, okay? So right when I entered, what is it here? This green line was the area where I do a trailing stop loss. As you guys know, I don't really like to do a hard take profit. That's why I don't even put a take profit here unless at least you see this NZD-CHF where I really believe it's not going to go any higher. But majority of my trades, I do a trailing stop loss. So what happened was price was right here. It came and bounced there. I did a sell. Price came and almost hit past my trailing stop loss, but I wait for a strong candle to close below it. So it never closed yet. So right when this one closed, this candle right here closed. What I did was I moved my trailing stop loss to right under this candle. Since this is a sell and you're getting the ask price when you're doing, what is it, on the sell, that's why I put 2 pips above to account for spread, so I put it up here. So right when this one closed, even though it was a great candle, I saw a lot of potential for it to go down, which it did go down, but you can never catch every move, like I always preach and say, but you don't be greedy, get what you can. So the reason why I put my trailing stop loss right here is because this was I put it on the bottom of this open right here of this candle. But then the thing is, you got to put 2 pips spread. So I put a 2 pip spread since it's a sell and you don't get the bid price. So price came up and it knocked me out on this candle right here. It wicked it and then it just dropped, bam, all the way down. Yeah, but that's how I caught my $166 in this EURUSD in 3 hours. It was a great trade. I like it when trades hit take profit in 1 day or in a couple hours. Those are my favorite. Less stress. Go to sleep not worrying about waking up to an alarm. Have better sleep. But yeah, even though it went down, I'll come back and review this trade and review all my trades to see how I could have captured these moves. But if I won in the market, I'll take what I can get. And so far, if you guys have been following my journey, I'm up $2,000 on my deposit by the end of next week. So I'll update you guys how I do. And thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below. And please hit that like button so I can reach more people on YouTube and build my small channel, okay? Thank you guys all for watching. I'll see you guys next time.